Does this plant need any introduction? Definitely not. These are my hibiscus and I am a garden lover. Welcome you to my channel Grow Style Gardening with Gitanjali. Today I am going to share some basic caring tips how to grow a hibiscus in container to get more flowers throughout the year. Simple equation: start with a healthy plant and meet with all the necessities at proper time. So here are some tips. Step 1. Always place your hibiscus at any sunny spot. Never place them at any windy location because the winds damage the tender petals of this beautiful flower, and I can't bear with this because the show time of each flower is for one day only. Step 2. Give your hibiscus 6 to 8 hours sunlight. It is a must. If they don't get enough sunlight, what will happen? They will survive, no doubt, but you will have a plant with green and glossy leaves but no more blooming. Step 3. They need daily watering in hot summer days. In rainy days and winters, water them when the topsoil is dry to touch. In their blooming period, they need frequent watering because they need moisture in their soil. Step 4. The soil should be sandy loam, that means well drained, not heavy soil. So to your garden soil, add coco peat to retain moisture and add compost rich in potassium to maintain the acidity of the soil and giving the sufficient nutrients at their blooming period, and add sand or perlite to make your soil light and airy. Repot your hibiscus plant every 1 or 2 years if you are growing them in clay pots, because in clay pots the soil will lose its acidic property gradually. As we know, the hibiscus is acid loving plant, so to retain the acidic nature of the soil, so you have to repot them more often. And hibiscus loves slightly root bounded, so whenever you repot your plant to a new pot, so just give them a little more space to grow. So the size of the new pot should be 1 inch or 2 inch more than the previous one. Never repot your hibiscus to a very big pot, or else you can grow them in cement pots. The attack of mealybugs and aphids are very common to hibiscus. Sometimes it is very difficult to deal with. So you have to check your plant daily. To fight against aphids, spray the water on the plant with full pressure from the garden hose to remove them. Do it for at least 3-4 days. If it doesn't work, apply a solution of neem oil and soap water, or use any insecticidal soap or rosemary oil. Always spray any pesticides from bottom to top on the infected areas and in both sides of the leaves. After 10 to 14 days, repeat all the steps until your plant is completely free from aphids and mealybugs. One tip is here: never use malathion based pesticide to your hibiscus plant. There may be fungal infection to your hibiscus plant. One symptom is brown and black spot on the leaves. You may follow my homemade remedy here to deal with this problem. Let's deal with some common problems. If you notice any yellow leaves at the bottom of any branches, don't worry, these are old leaves. They will fall off and will be replaced by the new leaves. But if the top leaves turning yellow and started drooping, that means your plant is suffering from overwatering or underwatering. Check it. And if you notice the leaves turning partially yellow and stick to the stems or branches, that means your plant is suffering from nutrients deficiency. If your plant doesn't bloom, that means your plant is deprived of sunlight, that means doesn't get sufficient sunlight to bloom, or the soil becomes alkaline. If you notice the buds of hibiscus are dropping out are falling out or drying out, that means your plant is under stress. There are lots of reasons. So it may be due to irregular watering habit or due to extremely heat waves in summer days or due to heavily root pounded, check it, or due to the attacks of mealybugs, aphids or attack of some insects at plant roots. These are all the common problems you are going to face while growing hibiscus for the first time. Now you have all the solutions to fight back. I hope you now find hibiscus is an easy growing flowering plant which is perennial. Start growing with a single plant if you don't have any. The vibrant color of its flowers will mesmerize you throughout the year. My hibiscus adds a tropical flair to my little terrace garden. I always surprise in my summer days when I see 7 to 8 flowers in each plant. But even today, it's a cold evening in first week of January. Still they don't have stopped blooming, and it means to make a video and to upload at a wrong time. I would be happy if it will enrich your knowledge a little bit more about gardening. Thank you.